Welcome to YeetCommerce.com. How to connect custom domain in YeetCommerce store. Go to the settings and click on Domain Setup of your Merriweb Shop dashboard. Enter your custom domain name in the Type Name Here field. Click the Connect button. There will be pop-up banner above where your specific IP would be written. YeetCommerce will then provide you with a hosting IP address. GoDaddy, and create an A record using this IP address. Here are the steps to create an A record at GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy Domain Manager, select the domain name that you want to create the A record for. Click the DNS button. Under Records, click the Add button. Select a from the record type drop-down menu. In the Host field, enter your custom domain name. In the Points to field, enter the hosting IP address provided by YeetCommerce. Click the Save button. Once you have created the A record, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for your custom domain to start working. If you need assistance with this process, YeetCommerce dedicated support team is ready to guide you 24/7.